software. In this video, we will understand how fraudulent check can be done in Jainam software. So this system is available for all the companies who are associated in Jainam software, as well as you can subscribe this feature using API as well. So I'm creating one profile. Selecting a group and entering some unique IDs. Click save. So file number 235 is created. I search file. And then the fraudulent check option is available here. Check fraudulent. It will tell me if this customer is marked as fraudulent because of any reason in system. So I do not see any record. You also have the flexibility to report this customer as fraudulent. You can select a fraudulent type, let's say defaulter or any kind of fraud is done, so which can be marked here. I say defaulter for loan 556. I'm just giving one hypothetical example here. I click save. I click close. Now in profile, the option is fraudulent verify. Whatever fraudulence updated in your organization, they will be seen in the fraudulent approval report. You click here and you can decide whether it has to be reported in the fraudulent database or not. So I report this as a fraudulent. File number 235. One more time consent, then I click yes. Okay. I search file 235 and I get this message customer reported as fraudulent. Now the important factor is if any company who is creating this customer for those unique IDs, they will be seen this report also. For example, let me do one quick test. Let me understand what IDs mentioned, F, P6 and A6. So let me make it P7, A7, save, and let me create one more profile here. The name can be different and I enter A, P6 and A6. I click save. Loan file 236 is created. Now I click here check fraudulent. So I immediately come to know that someone reported this customer as a fraudulent for a defaulter type. And the remark can also be seen here. So here this customer, it is not marked as fraudulent, but it is mandatory that you should check the customer is reported as fraudulent or not. If you subscribe to this service, we will also have one more concept of automatically check of fraudulent, so that you don't have to keep checking whether the customer is reported fraudulent. Automatically whenever you create the customer, that time only it will be mentioned that in fraudulent database whether we see this customer as fraudulent or not. Alright, so and in addition to this, we also have one concept of checking the unique IDs. For example, I create profile and I enter the name here. And in unique IDs, I add same IDs again. I click save. It will tell me that PAN number unique already exists within our system. So if I change this to, let's say 7, it will tell PAN number already exists. Let me do this. Okay, now this profile is saved. Alright. So thank you for watching Jainam Software. You can contact our support team for more information about this. Thank you.